If you've been frustrated trying to learn Unreal Engine, well, them days are over. I just created Unreal Made Easy. 27 videos that's going to teach you everything that you need to know in order to create visuals like this. My specialty is bringing in green screen footage and being able to create something cinematic. If that's what you're looking for, this is the collection for you. This is another way for you to grow your business, so don't wait. Get it today at WeShootFilms.com.